Welcome to Epotech Private Limited. My name is Pavan and today we shall be learning how can we promote a cleaning business in India. So the points of discussion will be importance of cleaners or a cleaning business, growth of cleaning businesses, how can we start a cleaning business, the power of the internet in case of cleaning business, and how can we gather clients digitally using various digital media platforms. So, what is the role of the cleaning business? A cleaning operative is an individual who cleans homes or commercial premises to earn their daily bread, which we all know. The cleaning industry is a very big industry since the different types of cleaners are required depending on the objects and properties of a particular space. The cleaning business is growing due to the following factors. Everyone is aware of the saying, cleanliness is next to godliness, and it states the need for maintaining a neat and clean environment. Cluttered or untidy workspaces represents a concern for safety as there is higher risk of accidents and they can be hazardous. A poorly maintained space can decrease the morale of the visitors that are visiting a certain place of their interest. Using the best cleaning practices reduces the spread of diseases and contagious viruses. Cleaners play a major role in keeping the environment healthy and reduces the risk of acquiring any illness. So now the question is, how can we start a cleaning business or how the cleaning business operates? So in order to get started, the first thing which we need to do is to create the business budget. The next step will be acquiring the tools for businesses. So in cleaning business, there are several tools required and we should acquire all the tools in order to get into the business. The next step would be to decide a name, and the name should be a good name which we can use for branding later on. The fourth step is to register the business as per the rules in your state or country. The next step would be to create a space for business on the internet, and this is one of the most crucial space. And most of the cleaning businesses nowadays are getting more number of clients using various digital media platforms, and we shall be discussing all those things in the later part of this video. So let's discuss the power of internet. The internet is a virtual world that houses an abstract reality of the institutions and individuals of the physical world. To introduce a business on the internet, creating a website would be the first and foremost step. There are many benefits of having a website through which services can be offered, and a few of them are the information present on the website is available 24/7, which means all the information such as the name of your business, your contact information, the services which you are providing are available globally on the internet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Exchange of information takes place at an instant basis. You can develop an unique identity. You will be reaching a greater mass of audience. You can keep the track of the potential business clients, and there is a mass opportunity for growth. So how do we gather clients digitally? Almost all the people in the world are engaged with the internet for several reasons. To gather clients for your business, promoting the business over the internet is always beneficial. Digital promotion techniques are getting a quite lot of attention these days because of their mode of approach. These types of techniques make use of the existing digital channels to promote businesses. So how do we get more number of clients from the internet? So this question is a very huge topic, and it will take around 30 or more than 30 minutes to explain all the steps of getting more number of clients from the internet. But to make it short, let's discuss all the factors in some small bullet points. The first point would be register your business on Google Places. We also call it Google Places or Google My Business, Google Map Listing. Create a listing on Google Map and add whatever services you are offering with proper photographs, your business information, your contact information. List all the information in a very descriptive and accurate manner. And we have to do certain more changes, which we shall be discussing in some other videos. I will also put the link of the video in the description of this video so that you can watch how can you list your business on Google My Places and how to optimize your business on Google My Places. And once you register your business on Google My Places, the next step would be to create social presence. So social presence simply means creating some pages or profiles on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. So once we complete both the steps, the next step would be to do SEO for your business website. SEO simply means search engine optimization. So in SEO, we optimize your website or The SEO experts optimize your website for the search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. So, if you optimize your website for the search engines, then if any client of yours search window cleaners near me or cleaning company near me, cleaning company in your city, then your business website will appear on the first page of Google search result. And if you appear on the top of the Google search result, you have more chances to get more number of queries from Google. And I must also include that all the queries which you get from Google have more number of chances, have more chances of conversion, because in case of Google, only those people who required any service search the information using the search engine. So we always recommend to do SEO for your business to get quality leads. And last but not the least is social media marketing. We should display the information of our business on continuous basis to our clients, to our potential customers, so that our brand gets recognized whenever they see our photo, whenever they see our advertise, or whenever they see our logo. And the more number of times we display our advertisement to our clients, we have more chances of getting the clients in the near future. This is a small step for branding as well, and we have more chances of getting a huge number of reads through social media marketing techniques and social media platforms. If you own any cleaning business, or if you're interested to get a new company registered for doing cleaning jobs, then you can always approach us to get a free report for your company. We'll be glad to provide you a free analysis for your company. How can we take your company from this height to the next higher height, so that you get more number of quality leads and quality clients from various social media platforms as well as the search engines. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.